Shanghai Jie'sheng Robot Co Ltd. Shanghai Jie'sheng Robot is a high-tech enterprise mainly involves in robotic system integration. With our strong R&D engineering team, we offer our customer problem-solving solutions based on our rich experience. Our headquarter is located in Shanghai Hong'qiao Business District. Production plant is located in Jiashan City, Zhe'jiang Province, which is about 1 hour drive from Shanghai. Yaskawa Industrial Robots, founded in 1915, is an industrial robot company with a century-old history. It has a very high market share in the global market and is one of the 4 major families of industrial robots. Yaskawa produces about 30,000 robots every year and has installed more than 500,000 industrial robots worldwide. They can replace manual labor to complete many operations quickly and accurately. Being first-class distributor and after-sales service provider authorized by Yaskawa, Shanghai Jie'sheng Robot offer high-quality industrial robot with fast shipment and competitive price. Our main products are Yaskawa Robots, Positioner, Workstation, Robotic Welding Station, Robotic Painting System, Laser Welding and other customized automatic robotic systems, and robot spare parts. Products are widely used in arc welding, spot welding, gluing, cutting, handling, palletizing, painting, scientific research and teaching. Fed up with the unstable quality? Hate the low efficiency? Tired of looking for a welder? All you need is a robotic system. Get it now and liberate your labor from tedious manual work.